Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below in the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for GLVT, who have partnered with this month. They're offering some big airdrop and reward incentives for using their platform in the description below. So go get involved with that, along with the other links, loads of free money and opportunities on the table, so go sign up below for everything. And also finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well. As I've said in my previous videos, it's been allowing me to average into the markets over the past few years continuously, and Polygon or Matic has been no exception. You could say ever since, really, I think it was back here when I started averaging in, I was just buying in pretty much every single month at all these levels. And obviously we've come back down to this bear market range low again. I've still been continuing to buy because I do think in the long term we are going to see a pop to the upside for a lot of cryptos in the altcoin space, not just Polygon, but we can see just how ridiculously smashed down we have been recently for Polygon. This continuous downtrend which we did break, and we're actually coming down here and closing into an interesting area where we are looking at some unbelievable bullish divergences on our RSI and our price action on the daily. I've been seeing this pattern on a lot of cryptos. Veracity and VeChain are also cryptos today that I've seen this ridiculous pattern on. This is one of the biggest bullish divergences I've seen for a long time. And we could be looking at this really nice W double bottom pattern, as you can see. We've got this first part of the W, the second part of the W. And in my opinion, we're probably going to get a bounce in this area pretty soon. We're coming down into a very key area of support. We've got some unbelievable divergences coming in here as well. And you can see just how overextended we are recently in the altcoin space in general. I think it's good to see as well when we did come down, we actually broke this level of resistance. You can see the level of resistance here. We actually broke this, came back in, and now looking like we might bounce back to the upside and get a continuation like this, as we can see. Really, in my opinion, Polygon here looking like basically it is just gearing up for a big reversal. Lots of signs here for me, considering that we are this unbelievably overextended. And also the fact that Bitcoin's dropping yet again down to 54k, trying to flush people out. And we've not really seen that much movement at all for altcoins. They're mostly just going sideways over the past few days, despite Bitcoin coming and closing cleanly yesterday, another lower low. So you can see the desire to be selling these at these crazily discounted prices just isn't there anymore. I think most people have been flushed out by this point in general on altcoins. And you can see, I mean, it's unbelievable how extended we are to the downside. Just from this local swing high, we're down like 70%. From the all-time high, we're down almost 90%. Down to 30 cents would be 90% retracement. So we're getting into an area of demand for not just Polygon, but the whole altcoin market is getting overextended now. And in my opinion, we're looking at some big reversals soon. If we break this level here again, I think we'll probably be heading back up towards that 50-60 cent area pretty soon So let's see what we can do. Like and subscribe for more.